and welcome to my channel. Yes, Minga USA in my YouTube channel. Pasensya na kayo guys. At first of all, I don't have good camera. I don't have editor. I don't have big geographer. So just I do it by myself. So today I'm doing camping here solo. That's so messy. My table is so messy. So anyway, I'm here at the called Whitewater Preserve. Pag napunta kayo dito, makita nyo sa personal, napakaganda. See? Makita nyo ito sa personal, so beautiful. Parang ayaw nyo nang umuwi. Ayan. Yan ang aking tent. Always in wilderness. Always. And pasensya na kayo, I'm only a beginner. So, just study. I have to learn more. I have to study more. So, ayan, please support my channel, Minga USA, mga guys. Ayan. Please subscribe. Ayan.